Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some 3 ingredient brownies. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Add 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. I'll add 1¼ cup of Nutella. Mix until smooth. Add in 1/2 cup of flour and a pinch of salt. The salt is optional. Mix until well combined. Pour into prepared pan. Just be aware the batter is quite thick. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes.